English speaking class. Listen to this English conversation. Hello.
Hi,
How are you?
I am good. How are you?
Good. Do you speak English?
Yes, it's my native language.
Are you American?
I am from New York. Where are you from?
I am from London. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
What time is it?
It's 5:45 p.m.
How old are you?
I'm 33 years old.
Are you single?
No, I'm not.
What do you do?
I'm a school teacher.
Do you have any siblings?
I have some brothers and sisters.
What did you eat for breakfast today?
I had cold cereal and milk.
Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? What's your name? What's your name? Where are you from? Where are you from? I like to read. I like to read. She is a doctor. She is a doctor. They went to the park. They went to the park. Can I help you? Can I help you? It's a beautiful day. It's a beautiful day. Let's go shopping. Let's go shopping. We're going on vacation. We're going on vacation. Where's the nearest station? Where's the nearest station? What's your favorite hobby? What's your favorite hobby? Once upon a time in a small village nestled between rolling hills, there lived a curious young boy named Jake. Jake had a mop of unruly brown hair and bright, inquisitive eyes that sparkled with wonder. He was known far and wide for his insatiable thirst for knowledge. One sunny morning, as Jake wandered through the village, he stumbled upon a dusty old bookshop. The sign above the door read, "Wise Owl Books." The shop's proprietor, Mr. Davis, a kindly old man with a long white beard, beckoned Jake inside. "Welcome, young sir," said Mr. Davis with a warm smile. "How may I assist you today?" Jake's eyes widened as he scanned the shelves lined with books of every size and color. "I want to learn everything," he exclaimed. Mr. Davis chuckled. "Well, my boy, that's quite the ambition. How about we start with a story?" Jake nodded eagerly, and Mr. Davis handed him a tattered book titled, "The Adventures of Captain Skyheart." As Jake dove into the story, he was transported to a world of daring pirates, mysterious islands, and hidden treasures. He was captivated by the words on the page, his imaginat. Over the next few weeks, Jake returned to Wise Owl Books daily, devouring one book after another. He learned about ancient civilizations, explored distant galaxies, and solved complex mysteries. With each new adventure, his vocabulary grew, and his English skills sharpened. One day, while browsing the shelves, Jake found a book about a young inventor who built extraordinary machines. Inspired, he decided to try his hand at building a contraption of his own. Armed with knowledge from the books he'd read, he spent weeks tinkering and experimenting in his small workshop. Finally, Jake emerged with a peculiar-looking device. With trembling hands, he pressed a button, and to his amazement, it whirred to life. It was a small robot that could dance and play music. The village was astounded, and news of Jake's invention spread like wildfire. People came from far and wide to see Jake's creation, and as they marveled at his ingenuity, Jake shared stories from the books he had read. His English had improved so much that he spoke fluently and confidently, captivating his audience. Jake's love for learning and his passion for sharing knowledge turned him into a beloved